Want to switch from Squarespace to OpenCart and bring over all your store data like products, customers, orders, and more? But hesitate because you think it's too complicated, don't want to put your online selling on hold, can't afford to spend a fortune on replatforming. Try Cart to Cart, #1 shopping cart migration service. With Cart to Cart, the migration is easy, even for non-techies. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. There's absolutely no risk for your data or your store. So to start your migration setup, go to shoppingcartmigration.com. Choose Squarespace and OpenCart platforms from the drop-down menu and click Start Free Demo. At this point, you'll be asked to log in or create a new Cart-to-Cart account. When done, provide the URL, admin email, and password of your current Squarespace store. Next, set OpenCart as your target and provide the admin URL, login, and password. Next, click the Choose Entities button to select the data types you'd like to migrate to on OpenCart. And choose the additional options like migration of images from product, categories, and blog posts descriptions, etc. Then, click the hamburger button to match your Squarespace order statuses to the corresponding ones on OpenCart. Now you can start free demo to see Cart to Cart in action. After clicking the demo results, you're a few clicks away from launching a full migration and moving all your Squarespace data to the new OpenCart store. More than 150,000 e-merchants have made their dream stores come true with Cart to Cart. Why don't you become one of them? You won't believe how simple it is. So go ahead and start your free demo migration at shoppingcartmigration.com right now.